Hello guys, and today Taylor will be doing a fish review. But not gumdrop. Don't judge. It's morning. Hello, you can't really see my face because the lighting is bad, so that's good. And I got Legos. And yes, I'm wearing a shirt on my head. Be quiet. I love my shirt on my head, and today I'm going to show you how to make stuff with Legos. Let me just break these up. I can't get the green part. I need a knife. Well, not like a knife. Like something. That was stupidness right there. What was that? Sesame. Yes, I'm using a bobby pin. A freaking bobby pin for this. I really can't get this. I'm so done with this bobby pin. Look, I'm literally putting it under the thing and trying to poke it out. This is stupid. I really can't get this out right now. This is sad. You know what? Let me see. I'm just gonna put that Lego in there. Look at all these Legos. All in here. You can't see it because I have blue lighting. What is this? What the heck? This is not even Lego. Let's see. Let's start with. Just found a very smooth lock. We can use this to hang up something. Bless me. Now we could use this to put Legos to the side, right? Oh yeah, we could use this to put Legos on the side. Just realized that, but I don't think that's what it's for. I think it's for to put Legos. I really don't know what this is for, but I'm just gonna make something. Sorry for the extremely bad lighting. I don't know. Look, I don't know how to set up lighting. Wait, let me set up something for lighting. Sup? You see me? Well, of course you see me. There's more lighting over here than over there. So I guess you just do like sup, people? Well, I have naked baby dolls, so don't look over here, please. Alright, I forgot. Oh, I found the piece so we could make something. I'm gonna get like a FNAF Lego set of FNAF dolls because I like FNAF so much, and I never get to do FNAF. Lol. So like I have like 2 black pieces. You can't see the color. Can you see this? If you can see this, yeah, you see it's yellow and blue. So the lighting is not that bad. Yeah, and you could see waves of heat and stuff. I just got the hold up. I could put this like this, and you put like a black piece. Wait, I'm making something. So I'm gonna make like a motorcycle with this. So basically, I'm just gonna use this for the this, and then I'm just gonna use this for the bottom wheels. Yellow and yellow, yellow, and some yellow. Bottom wheels. Then you want like find like a two-piece or something, 3-piece Lego, like I can't find any like these, like this. Never mind, not like that, like this. This is what you need, 2-piece Lego. So put that on here. You need a lot of them. You also need a seat. So you might want to put, I don't have any Lego people, so sorry. You want to one thing from the end. You need this black piece. It needs to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Lego circles long and 2 Lego circles wide. If you understand that. And I'm just gonna put this like this. So this stupidness. This is stupid. No, not like this. You need like a 4-piece block, like this right here. 4-piece block. That's the lighting up here. So a 4-piece block like that. And on your motorcycle, you put one of you could put a 3-piece, a 6-piece, or an 8-piece. And I put an 8-piece. If you guys don't see it, 8-piece thing with the seat, so it could be like 2 people. And I'm just gonna put the square block right one middle of this. I don't make no sense. You guys better understand you're gonna have a hard time. So I guess you can add like something on the bottom. I just need to look at this to make sure it makes sense. Like this doesn't look like a motorcycle. So I'm just gonna add like this little fry thingy to it. It's a Lego piece. I'm gonna add that to like the back to make it cool decoration. And I guess you could just put like one of the 2 pieces. Just put, you got 2 of the 2 pieces. Break it apart, or if you have 2 already, can't freaking be alright. And if you have 2 already, just put one here and the other one. No, wait, the other one here. Or you could get a 4. Oops. Or you could just get a 4-piece again. And then put it all the 4 pieces. Stop biting my stuff. Put that there. And another 4-piece. And put that there. There, like that. Then you want to get like one of these. Like this. Like one of the 2 pieces. Put that on right top of there. And then maybe like, let's see. This is like you need like a glass looking thing. You have to get a glass looking thing because that's for the window, of course. Unless you really need a glass looking thing. What you supposed to get? And I see this thing. Or my shirt is pulling. You could get one of these. Like a wheel. And I lost my motorcycle. Oh, never mind. You could get like, if you guys don't have this, it's okay. I'm using this as a horn. No, it can't be a horn. It's gonna be like the motor thing. The motor thing you use to, it's just gonna be decoration, okay? So you can move it like a steering wheel. You can move it. Steering wheel. You can move it this way. Seriously, this doesn't fit. Alright guys, you can move it. Look, bad lighting right there. Bad lighting for this. You can move it this way, you can move it that way. And you can break it off very, very easily, which is a problem. But who cares? I'm not gonna add this. This doesn't look right. I got a freaking dinosaur in my thing. Got a wall. I don't need the wall. Alligator pieces now. I don't even know what this is. And I got like some other sets in it. Oh, never mind. And I'm gonna put like this logo on it, like over here, this logo on it to make it look very, very cool. I don't know if it's upside down or not, cause I don't even think this is English. But I think it's this way. I think it's this way. Tree. Hold up. Guys, you can't see it the right way. I can't even see it either. So we're both even. But I'm gonna put this like... I guess I'm gonna put that like under, I guess. And then just put some of these. I couldn't find a 4-piece for this one, but use a 4-piece. You put like the little logo down there. Oops. The logo. Motorcycle. This is a very bad motorcycle, people. I'm sorry, I don't know how to make this. And then you're like, well, then why are you doing it? Because I want to be fun. I need something to do in my life. And I didn't make no videos. And I think this is for a door, so. You can add stuff like that. And that's how you can make like molds. I just figured that out. This is not even part of what you're supposed to be doing. But who cares? It's fun. When you get distracted. Easily distracted. You see this? Easily distractedness. You guys see my shirt on my head? It's because my hair looks crazy. Because I just woke up. So I wasn't prepared for this. You want some of these 1-piece deals? These skinny 1-pieces? I got one skinny 1-piece. Like seriously, skinny. No, not 1 piece. 1 wide piece with 4 long. 4 long, 1 wide, skinny. 4 long, 1 wide, skinny. If you guys understand that, I'm going to use that. Like, look closely. Look at the magic. I give up. This doesn't want to stick. What if I put you up here? Would you be happy up here? And you stick up there, but you won't stick down here. I'm so done with you. There. I finally sticked it. Like this. Like that. See that? That's how you do it. And then I can't find no freaking window. Oh, I found like this chair piece. But you might want to use that for the back. The chair piece for the back. Because this is not no regular chair piece. This is a buttock seat. You heard me? Like, you see this, guys? This is a seat. A buttock seat. A seat where your buttocks to relax. And I can't put it on the thing. Claps. Alright, now you want to put like something in the back of it to make it look cool. And I just broke it. Perfect. 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 You see this? This is how you make a really freaking bad motorcycle. Anyways, I got to go. Bye, guys. Sorry for the freaking bad motorcycle. See you next time. Got so much to clean up. So much to clean up. Bye.